Hi, sorry to bother you. It's just that I heard you were here to adopt. Um, one of the volunteers here at the shelter was cleaning the cage next to mine, and he said you were looking for a Neko to bring home because you didn't want to live alone. And I know I'm not a cute little kitten anymore, and my tail is crooked, and I'm kind of clumsy. Uh, okay, really clumsy. But you should adopt me. I'll be a good Neko. I promise. My old owner didn't like me that much, and that's why he put me outside, but I've learned from my mistakes, and I'll be perfect this time. What will I do to be perfect? So many things. First off, I'm gonna be so quiet. I won't talk, I won't even meow too loudly. I know that Neko should be seen and not heard. Also, I'll save you money. I won't eat anything expensive. I won't ask people for food or fancy treats. And you can give me the cheapest canned food you can find. Even if I get sick, I won't make a big deal. I just want to get out of the shelter. There's so many Nekos here, and they're all bigger and stronger than me. They play so rough and make so much noise. Everyone's always fighting, or crying, or screaming for attention. All I want is somewhere safe and quiet where I can hide at night, even if I have to scavenge my own food. What's that? A treat? For me? Are you sure? I don't want to be a burden. Well, if you insist. Wow, this is really good. More treats? You mean it? This is the happiest day of my life. Of course you can pet me. You seem really nice. I don't think you'll hit me or pull my tail. Scratches under my chin are the best. I'm gonna sit in your lap and get more scratches and cuddles. Wait, sorry. I should have asked first. Is this okay? Are you sure it's okay? You're so warm and cozy. I could just cuddle up to you forever. I don't think anyone has ever held me like this before, or, well, maybe my first human when I was really little, but she had to move. Then I was with my second human, and my third, and, well, I know better now, so we don't need to talk about that. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be purring so loud. You wanna hear me purr? When you say I'm not bothering you, it seems like you mean it. So, what do you want out of a Neko? Someone to cuddle with who will sit in the same room as you and purr when you're lonely? Nothing else? Nothing like catching mice, or washing dishes, or running errands. I know I'm not graceful or good looking, but I can meet your needs. Oh, um, it's okay if you've decided already. Who are you gonna adopt? Me? Really? I'll get to go home with you and sleep indoors and eat more of those yummy treats and wow, you mean it? I get to go on the furniture? You're the best human owner ever, so I promise I'll try to be the best Neko ever. I really love you so, so much. Hmm? What's this? Well, you have a whole list of things you're gonna buy for me. I've never had toys before, or a cat tree. This is so exciting. But what I really want is something you don't have to buy for me. Can I have more cuddles? Thank you so much. You're so warm. I could just curl up here and go to sleep. You'll wake me up before you go, right? Yeah. You can just carry me out to your car and wake me up when we get home. That that works too. I can't wait to find out what it's like to have a home